Or if only you would be, if only you're mine. I wish I could do better if Eddie was there. So to be with my own and my eyes. But right now I know that you feel the way that I do. I wish for this thought that you were by my side. I love you. They say you love me too. Makes me want you could tell our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. So today I'm finally fine, because deep inside there's a war right out your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, like a thousand times before. Think we got a world ahead of me, there's never. But I hope this finds their way to your heart. Each time I love you. You say you love me too. These three words you tell our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Well, maybe I need to love you. And maybe I need to girl. And maybe you, all you need to love you. And you do. That's it all. And I'll be Pamilya, no? Kaisaran? Di mo napapansin ang